Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog crates that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Homes for Pets. For dog lovers whose four-legged friend's career as an escape artist, who refuses to stay in a crate no matter what tricks and tips you follow, the iCrate is for you. This state-of-the-art Doggo Crates design replicates the natural dog den that undomesticated would typically reside in when they were given roam and used as hunting partners. The double-door foldable dog crate provides panels that are versatile with the growth of your fur baby. The iCrate is capable of housing dogs up to 90 pounds, and it also comes equipped with a mesh divider used to separate parts of the crate to provide space for more than one canine. The iCrate is ideal for dogs who are left alone for long periods of the day, because it is heavy-duty and bolt-latched, firmly locking the crate and securing your dog for the length of your time away. The plastic den is easy to assemble and foldable to be used for travel and in-home use. It is also waterproof and comes with a 1-year warranty, just in case your doggo is capable of tearing apart sturdy metal dens. Moving on at number 4, we have the Casual Home Wooden Pet Crate. For the sophisticated doggo and dog parent, the Casual Home Crate is an excellent addition to your minimalist home. This crate provides not only a secure, safe place for your pet, but it also doubles as an end table for the creative mind. This tabletop, modern dog crate, is not just a dog crate, but also a beautiful addition to your home furniture layout with its innovative end table design. The Casual Home Wooden Pet Crate is constructed from the most durable silicate wood, making it a long-lasting addition to your pet care arsenal. Easy to clean, easy to install, and easy to put together, this dog crate provides style and durability to any professional fur parent. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Folding Metal Crate. The Amazon Basics single-door and double-door folding metal dog crate are just as the title suggests, a basic needs dog crate. Although it is made in a traditional design, the Amazon Basics metal dog crate features mini dividers, slip-proof flooring, and an adjustable, removable plastic pan for easy cleaning. The bars are metal and constructed in a sturdy design while being foldable for secure storage. For dog owners who may be concerned with their pet's ability to pick locks, this dog crate comes equipped with secure sliding bolt lock technology, which is safe and comfortable for you to open, but not so easy for your dog. At number 2, we have the PetMate 2-Door Top Load. The PetMate 2-Door Top Load Going Cage is excellent for securing your four-legged traveling buddy. This pet carrying crate is not only secure and versatile but also stylish, available in 2 colors, Pearl Honey Rose and Metallic Pearl, both sporting a coffee ground bottom. The dimensions of the 2-door PetMate travel crate measure 19.25 x 12.8 by 10 inches on the inside, and 16.5 x 10.5 x 13.25 exterior measurements, making it great for puppies, small dogs, kittens, and other smaller pets under 8 pounds. As the name entails, the PetMate carrier features 2 doors, one at the top, the other on the front, which enables easy access to your pet, while securing them comfortably in the pet travel hotel. The top entry door makes loading your pet into the PetMate carrier less unpleasant. The PetMate 2-door carrier also comes in a larger size 21 inches by 14.75 x 13.25 exterior measurements and 24.1 x 16.7 x 14.5 interior measurements. And finally at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics 2-Door Top Load Kennel. Similar to the other travel crates on this list, the Amazon Basics 2-Door Top Load Pet Kennel, designed for traveling pets who find themselves on airplanes and trains. The Amazon Basics crate allows for ease of loading with 2-door design and steel wire doors for added security. This crate also comes with extra screws for extra security while traveling. The Amazon Basics Traveling Crate is designed with durable plastic and enough ventilation panels for your pet to breathe and has nosy visibility. Amazon Basics Travel Crate is 23 inches and intended for securing smaller pets. The base and ceiling of the travel crate snap together with 4 locks, and the extra screws utilized to seal the top and bottom together for included fortification additionally. When the pet is securely inside, the comfortable grip handle takes into consideration simple, one-hand conveying.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon